In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between two words, history and story. Hi, my name's Charlie. Welcome to Organic English. I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. Take a look in the description below. There'll be a link to a transcript. You can download this and follow along with this lesson. A few of my students get a little bit mixed up with the two words story and history. For example, they'll say, "Hey Charlie, let me tell you a history." Now I understand this is because in languages like Portuguese and Spanish, there is only one word for both history and story. In English, story and history are both used to describe events in the past, but there are some important differences. History is the description of events in the past, but based on facts. For example, Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon on July 20th, 1969. That's history. A story is a description of people and events. They could be real or imaginary, but it's often told for entertainment. For example, Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon on July 20th, 1969. Then he got back into his spaceship and he flew to Mars and he founded a colony there. That's a story. Here are a few more examples. We learnt about the history of the space race at school today. So today we learned some facts and events about the space race between the US and the USSR to increase our knowledge. During history class, we learnt about the space race. Our teacher also told us a funny story about Neil Armstrong. During history class, we learnt some facts and events about the history of the space race. The teacher also told a story based on facts, but the objective was to entertain us. Here are a couple more examples. I like to read my kids a story before they go to sleep. This is also known as a bedtime story. What do you know about the history of jazz? Well done. Don't forget to go to organicenglish.club, where you'll find other resources to help you become more fluent in English. Please also subscribe to my newsletter. Subscribers will get cheat sheets, mini lessons, and video updates direct to their inbox. Thank you very much for watching. Now go out and practice your English.